Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function chur, or CHR. Welcome, Python programmers. Today, we're diving into a straightforward yet powerful built-in function in Python, the chur function. This function is essential for converting integer values into their corresponding character representation. Let's explore how chur works and when to use it in your coding projects. The chur function returns the string representing a character whose Unicode point is the integer passed into the function. The syntax is simple, chur of I, where I is an integer representing a Unicode point. To effectively use chur, you need to understand Unicode. Unicode is a universal character encoding standard that assigns a unique number to every character, no matter the platform, program, or language. It allows us to use characters from multiple languages and a myriad of symbols in a consistent way. Why chur? This function is crucial when you need to generate characters from their Unicode points. Whether you're creating visual elements, decoding data formats, or developing applications that require specific symbols, chur is your go-to for translating code points into human-readable characters. The chur function is particularly useful in applications that involve text manipulation, such as parsing files that include Unicode characters, creating text-based graphical user interfaces, or in cryptography, where characters are often manipulated at the code point level. Let's go through some examples to see chur in practical use. In example 1, we're converting integers to the corresponding Unicode character. In this example, we're iterating through a range of numbers to output their corresponding Unicode alphabet. Here we're using the chur function to create a string of special characters, such as we might use for password creation. These examples demonstrate how chur can be used to convert Unicode points to readable characters, generate sequences of characters, and even create strings of special characters. And that's your guide to using the chur function in Python. With chur, you can bridge the gap between code points and the characters they represent, enhancing your ability to handle textual data dynamically and creatively. Keep expanding your Python expertise with us. For more tips and in-depth tutorials, make sure to subscribe.